I know why you're watching this. You're searching for a YouTube auto-comment bot to promote your brand in comment space, right? Let me show you something way smarter. This isn't a spammy tool that floods YouTube with fake comments no one reads. This is a YouTube comment bot that actually drives traffic by dropping helpful, relevant comments under the right videos using AI. It's called Commentions, and it might be the most underrated growth tool you've never heard of. Let me show you how it works. For example, if you're running an SEO agency, YouTube is a goldmine. People are constantly searching for things like best SEO tips, how to rank on Google, SEO for beginners, affordable SEO agencies. And what do they do after watching? They scroll to the comments. That's your chance. But let's be real. You can't monitor every video every day. That's where Commentions steps in. Here's what it does. You connect your YouTube account. You choose keywords you want to target like SEO, SEO tips, Google ranking, search engine optimization, Commentions, then scans YouTube 24/7 for any new videos with those keywords in the title, description, or tags. And the moment it finds one, it automatically posts a smart AI-generated comment from your account, one that sounds helpful, real, and naturally mentions your brand. No spam, no copy-paste garbage, just intelligent, relevant comments that start conversations and bring people to you. SEO agency promotion. Let's say you run an agency called SEO Flow. You want to get discovered by business owners, marketers, and startups watching SEO videos. You set up Commentions like this. Connect your YouTube account, add keywords like SEO, SEO tips, rank on Google. Choose your tone, maybe professional but friendly. Limit it to 5 comments per day across new uploads. Now a new video gets published. Top 5 SEO strategies for 2024. Commentions automatically post this comment. Great tips. At SEO Flow, we've been testing some similar strategies, especially around semantic content clusters. Would love to connect if you're diving deeper into this. Or another video, how to improve your website's Google ranking. Your comment, awesome breakdown. If anyone needs help implementing this at scale, SEO Flow has some great case studies in this space. Boom, you're visible, you're relevant, and you're early. And the best part, that comment sticks. It keeps generating clicks long after the video is posted. Could you run ads on YouTube? Sure, but it's expensive, and no one really trusts pre-roll ads anymore. You could cold DM viewers? That's even worse. But a natural, insightful comment posted under the exact video someone's already watching, that builds trust instantly. With Commentions, you're present without pushing, you're visible at the moment of interest. You're showing up where buyers are already looking. Here are a few comments. Commentions could auto-post for your agency. Video, SEO tools for small business. Comment, solid list. We work with small businesses at SEO Flow. We've seen great results combining tools like these with custom content strategies. Video, SEO myths to avoid. Comment, totally agree with number 2. We've helped several clients reverse penalties caused by that exact myth. Love the transparency here. Video, should you hire an SEO agency? Comment, it depends on your goals, but we've worked with dozens of clients who started with DIY and scaled better with a partner. Happy to share what's worked. Each one of those, a lead magnet in disguise. Here's the magic. These comments don't disappear after a day. They live under the video for as long as it's online, which means you get traffic today and more tomorrow and more next week and still more next year. It's a long-term visibility engine powered by AI. So if you've been looking for a YouTube auto-comment bot that actually grows your business, this is it. But it's not spammy, it's not noisy, it's smart, relevant, and it works. You set it up once. It scans YouTube non-stop. It auto-posts helpful comments under high-intent videos, and it brings traffic back to your service. Start using Commentions today and turn video views into real leads. It was Martin. Thanks me later.